The pandemic is a global challenge that has affected manufacturers and distributors around the world. How has this affected the supply chain, and what short-term and long-term effects do you anticipate?
So, things seem to be going swimmingly there for a little bit, and then electronics fell off the cliff. One of the things we're having a hard time getting are what's called an audio video receiver, which is really the guts of a home theater or music system in the house. And right now, I cannot get a delivery time from the manufacturer. They're not sure when they're going to ship. My supplier is hundreds of units short and waiting to get those. There's been this move to smart TVs and smart functionality, and now you can almost get everything you want in the smart apps on the TV. So I think there'll be a shift. I think systems will become simpler. I think you'll have to buy fewer components to still get a pretty good experience. I think as we go forward, although it's slower, so where I could install in 2 to 3 weeks, it's now 4 to 8 weeks. I'm hoping to see that improve as we go forward.